Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Muhammad Ashraf bin Raja Adnan. My metric number is BO91810063. Today I will explain about PBL that given by Puan Nur Ain binti Idris. Okay, here the diagram. As we can see, in this diagram we have 6 rooms, which is from the left is room 1, room 2, room 3, and in front of them is room 4, room 5, room 6. Like we can see in this diagram, room 1, 2 and room 3 is near and hit by sunlight. Then room 1 is nearest to the fan core unit. In short term is FCU core. Okay, but the problem is why room 1 is not cool even though near by fan core unit. The problem number 1 is room 1 maybe not use a tinted glass or tinted window, so the sun hit directly into the room. Problem number 2 is maybe air flow rate is not enough enter in a room 1. Maybe space in room 1 is bigger than flow rate that enter on that room.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf ID bin Muhammad Basri. My matrix number is B0918100117 and my class is BMMH 1/1. Number 3, flexible ducting problem. As we know, room 1 is warmer compared to room 2 and 3. This is because the flexible ducting in the room does not sweep to the side of the room. Insufficient airflow and cause the room to be warmer than other room. It is also possible the flexible ducting has leak or damage that cause the room become uncooled. Another room maybe has good sizing or flexible duct and good ducting compared to room 1. And number 4, damaged ceiling. If have a hole in the ceiling in the room, it will make the room hot. This is because in the ceiling space, as we know, it is hotter than the room temperature. Because the ventilation on the ceiling does not flow and the temperature will increase in the daytime. If the ceiling is not plastered, it will cause the hot air will flow into the room and causing the temperature in the room to change.
Hi, my name is Siwei Qin and my matric number is B0918100368. Now I'm going to explain the solution number 1, which is the window material are different between 3 rooms. The solution is we can tint all the window in 3 rooms. Tinted can be reduce the amount of heat enter to the room, so it can reduce the level of heat inside the room to keep the low temperature. I'm going to explain the solution number 2, which is the airflow is not enough in room 1. To solve this problem, we have to make sure the airflow is balancing between 2 rooms. We can adjust the damper to let the airflow in room 1 is same with other room. When the airflow is same in all the room, it can keep all the room in the same temperature.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Isdianto. My metric number is B0918100219. The solution to solve the problem on the point 3 is we need to make maintenance on the ducting system by changing the flexible ducting connection for room 1 according to the appropriate size if there is a difference in the size of the flexible ducting with room 2 and room 3. Next, make inspection on flexible ducting and perform cutting and the assembly according to length requirement only. This is because if there is a fault on the flexible ducting, it will cause the air to pass through a long distance and hit many surfaces, therefore high pressure loss will occur. The last one is repair the flexible ducting connection in event on non-severe damage while replacing flexible ducting connection in event of severe damage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azrafi Hassan Basari. My meeting number is B0918101003. Okay, for solution number 4 is the ceiling need to cover or change to the new one. It to avoid the cool air in the room to circulate to the ceiling area. After the ceiling problem have solved, the cool air will only circulate in the room. Last but not least, based on this assignment, we have found 4 problem and 4 solution based on my friend present in this video. The conclusion that we get from this assignment, we can know the problem that caused the room not cool, and we have find the solution to solve that problem, and we gain a knowledge from this assignment and do it and can solve it very well. And that's all from our group, and thank you.